Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to retweet on Twitter app step by step. First, go to Twitter app on your phone. Here is the home page where you can see different tweets of the people you followed. You can see different posts by scrolling down. Pick a tweet you want to retweet. Then tap on the retweet icon marked with red at the bottom of the tweet. If you want to add your opinion about the tweet you want to retweet, tap on Quote Tweet, or you can just retweet it without adding any comment by tapping on the retweet button. Thus, the process of retweeting tweets on Twitter app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.